Hello dear students, welcome back to our online classes, and today we are going to discuss about of agriculture marketing, which work in agriculture research, agriculture marketing research, and agricultural marketing training also. So let us look on these organizations. First organization is APIDA, Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority, which was established in 1986, and its headquarters situated at New Delhi. Next important organization is NERAMC, Northeastern Regional Agriculture Marketing Corporation. It is situated at Guwahati, Assam, and it was established in 1982. This is an organization which works for agriculture marketing area in northeastern region of the country. Next one is Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices, CSCP, which is very important organization for policy making on cost and prices, which is situated at New Delhi, and it works since 1965. Next important organization is Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, IFFCO, which is very popular name in field of cooperative organization, which is work for Indian farmers since 1967, and its headquarters situated at New Delhi. Next organization is Directorate of Marketing and Inspection (DMI). Very important organization, works for marketing of agriculture produce and inspection. It means quality and quality control for agricultural products. Working since 1935, and its headquarters at Faridabad, Haryana. Next important organization is the National Institute of Agriculture Marketing (NIAM), which is popularly known as NIAM, and its headquarters is at Jaipur, Rajasthan, which is working since 1988. This is the premier institute for agriculture marketing for teaching and research. Next important organization is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, and its headquarters is at New Delhi and is working since 2011. It is very recently established organization for safety and security of food agricultural products. Next important organization or society is Indian Society of Agriculture Marketing, which is run by the uh, uh, renowned agriculture marketeers or agricultural marketing scientists since 1986, and which is established or which is situated at Hyderabad. This society is working for the teaching, research in agriculture marketing sector. Next important organization is NAFED, which means National Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, which headquarters is situated at New Delhi and is working for the farmers since 1958. And next important organization is NSC. NSC is concerned with the distribution and production of seeds or marketing of seeds across the country. Since it's working since 1963 for farmers, or its headquarters is situated in New Delhi. National Institute of Agriculture Economics and Policy Research (NIAP), इसको हमने last वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था. It established in 1991 and situated in New Delhi. Next institute is NAFED, which is already discussed in this video. These are some important marketing institute which may be useful for your competitive examination. So keep in your mind and remind timely. Thank you guys. Thank you for being with me and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel and share among your friends. Thank you. Till then, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe and stay happy during this COVID periods. Thank you guys. See you soon.